CNC routers are commonly used for designing and manufacturing products. The ability to cut, drill, or mill aluminum, metal, and plastic components with precision is why CNC routers are used by most manufacturers worldwide. The CNC machines require lubrication during the machining process, which keeps the tool and workpiece cool. The two primary methods are flood cooling and micro-lubrication. The most common, but least effective method is flood cooling. This method floods the tool and workpiece using gallons of toxic chemicals mixed with water. It's very messy and requires extensive cleanup of tools, work areas, and soaked cutting chips. The second method, which is more cost-effective and produces higher quality results, is known as micro-lubrication, or minimum quantity lubrication. Premium quality CNC router manufacturers are integrating MagLube's MQL systems into their machine builds. CAMaster and Laguna Tools both use MagLube's 21st century micro-lubrication as their preferred lubrication system. MagLube offers a micro-lubrication system for CNC routers that substantially reduces the amount of lubricant needed when compared to the less efficient flood cooling method. When we say substantially, that's not an understatement. Operators using our systems can expect to use only 2 to 4 ounces of lubricant during an 8-hour shift, compared to gallons of toxic coolants needed if flood cooling. Because of the properties of our organic, biodegradable lubricants, you will experience superior surface finishes. Another advantage of using MagLube MQL is time savings. Time is money, and unlike the extensive cleanup needed when flood cooling, MagLube systems require virtually no post-production cleanup. Plus, the cutting chips produced are dry, making it quick and easy to simply vacuum up and then recycle for even more revenue. Each system sold carries a 1-year manufacturer's warranty on all components, and used in conjunction with our LD300L lubricant, your CNC router will be producing the highest quality products you've ever produced. Contact us today to discuss your machines and how we can help improve your processes. And don't forget, our MagLube MQL systems also work perfectly on CNC milling, metal stamping, bandsaws, roll formers, and any other machine needing lubrication. Contact MagLube today.